thought I'd take a minute and give you a quick recap on this year's grandma camp. We started out by putting the tents together. I purchased these little teepee tents on Amazon. They came with instructions and they were super easy to put together, but it did take two of us. I don't know if we're just uncoordinated or if it just takes two people, but we were able to put those tents up. We put up 5 tents and it probably took us maybe 45 minutes to put up all 5 tents. The picture here shows you what the tents looked like on Amazon. Ours didn't look quite that fancy, but the most important thing is they looked adorable and the grandkids loved them. Twinkle lights were included with the tents, and I got the small twin air mattresses and sheets on Walmart.com. I picked up the Disney and Marvel blankets and pillows at Costco. We also put up a balloon arch. It was super easy, but at the same time it was super frustrating. This balloon pump was a lifesaver and definitely worth the $20 I paid for it. The balloon arch kit included all the balloons and some fake fern leaves and the arch tape, but absolutely no instructions, so we had to wing it. My husband inflated all the balloons, then I put the tied part of the balloons through the little hole on this arch tape. It's not really tape because it's not sticky, but I don't know what else to call it. After 2 hours, we decided we were ready to hang it. We still had about 25 balloons left to inflate, but mentally we were done. We attached this to our wall and ceiling with command hooks and string. This is the balloon arch kit that I bought, and for most people maybe this would be easy, but it was sure a challenge for us. And as you can tell, it looks nothing like the picture. Yeah, this definitely isn't a talent of ours. This year, one of our grandkids' favorite things to do was to make cars out of these cardboard boxes. They painted them any way they liked, and then they took them to the drive-in movie in Grandma's basement. Pro tip, don't let your littles eat a lot of sugar before you want them to fall asleep. In the comments, let us know what you do to make memories with your grandkids. Thanks for watching.